How to send pic in Tinder chat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can send pictures in Tinder chat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you happen to match with somebody and instead of just texting you would like to send them a picture, so basically you open up the Tinder application and then you just come to the messaging tab over here. Now in my case I don't have any matches over here, right, because this is just a dummy account. Now you should understand that Tinder doesn't allow users to send pictures directly on messages, because this is done just for the safety purposes. Tinder will not allow you to send it. If you want to, you can exchange each other's social media and then you can send them over there. You can do this by using third-party apps or using cloud storage by simply uploading a link somewhere and you can send them that link. Otherwise you can't send pictures on Tinder. This way you can go ahead and figure out whether or not you can send pic in Tinder chat. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.